Welcome back, guys. We are here with a new video. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe.
Well, aren't we?
Yeah. There's another one. Come round the roundabout. Yeah.
We'll keep my eye out on Facebook, see what's going on.
Yeah. I'll post it, see if anyone knows.
That blue car? Just hit it. You're after him?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's just hit that silver car behind us.
Oh. Fucking holy shit.
Surely they're not allowed to do that.
Fucking holy fucking shit. Let's watch him.
Careful of that red car. Oh my god.
Fucking hell. Oh, it's gone down there.
Yeah, don't follow
Oh, I'm
him.
getting out of the way, I'm getting out of the way.
Don't follow him.
I'm getting out of the way.
Stay here.
Yeah. Fucking
Oh, I don't like
shit,
this.
the bed. Fuck me.
That silver Vauxhall there,
oh.
that blue car's just smashed into it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
He's got a stinger. He's got a stinger.
What's that mean?
Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Holy
He's got
fucking
him.
shit.
Good.
Whoa, fucking shit.
Oh, dead scared.
Oh, holy. Fucking shit. Oh, fuck.
That blue car smashed straight into that one.
Which?
That was Vauxhall there.
We are second exit. Looks like he's possibly done a tyre. We are at Golf Lima 61. Bravo Golf Echo. Stand by for a decamp. Stand by for a decamp.
He's going to ram us.
Get in! Get in! Get in!
He's ramming us.
We've been rammed. We've been rammed. The second vehicle's in front. We're gonna just take contact, can you? Golf Lima 61. We've been rammed. Get the helicopter and the dog towards, please. Over. Oh. I ain't got my belt on, mate.
I'm taking him out.
We're gonna make tactical contact. We are making tactical contact due to the fact we've been rammed over. I ain't got my belt on, dude.
Don't worry, put it on, get it on.
I'm trying to. Yeah, we're still going Greenlands Road.
I'm making contact.
Towards.
Tell me what minute in it.
We're gonna try and contact it and take it out to him. It means it's rammed us. We're now Hemelswood Road. Stand by. Stand by. We got a dog en route, William. We got a dog en route. Don't wreck us. Lord, our car's going to be trashed. Moor End Avenue, left Moor End Avenue. Get another traffic unit towards us. Does the Insignia want to take over? Insignia is taking over. Get on to Interops, please, boys.
We're out of the game. We're knackered.
Hang on. YM from Tango Charlie. He's taken from where we are. We've gone left from Berwick's onto Moorend Lane. He's taken a right onto Chichester Grove and then right again. They're on 200. I'll try and get them onto 4, but please keep it running whilst the helicopter's coming, because it's low speeds because they haven't got anything left. Bless you, thank you matey.
Yes, then. Can the vehicle type as well, please? Yeah, okay, yeah, from body theory, red Audi A6 S-Bone.
Oh, let us sing, boys, let us sing.
I got it on GoPro.
Right, all of you follow us. We've got all your registrations on camera. Just come with us.
Oh, I got it on camera. I was doing 40, so don't worry about that.
Speeding, I'm not talking about speeding, am I? I'm a motorcyclist, I've been
Yeah.
for 12 years.
Of
I know
course.
it's a 125,
Yeah.
alright? The fact the way you're all lined up and the way you all dip down and go for it, alright? It doesn't look very good, does it?
No, of course.
Maybe not look good.
I genuinely wasn't
Still, we're
racing.
Talking about that.
Okay, we can still look around careless riding,
Yeah.
alright? The way you're racing, because you're racing, and also...
On
yeah,
scooter,
fella,
125 with 17 stones, and I'm not arguing. I'm just trying to
you are
make fun.
arguing. So if you can get, I'm talking to this gentleman first. He's recording me, so that's fine. If you want to go stand by your bike, I'll come and speak to you separately in a second. All right?
By all means.
I do understand how it looked.
Yeah.
Of course.
You're racing. That's all it cares. You're racing. You're all lined up across 3 lanes of a road, and you're racing down it.
We weren't originally.
Unfortunately, he's on the faster bike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Of course.
So he's the one that's going to get the most in trouble. But the way you're all acting as a group, not acceptable on our roads. Okay.
Of course.
So just take it.
We can take it, obviously.
Yeah.
Fair enough. I'm just wondering, as a law, we don't break any laws.
You're riding in an antisocial behaviour manner. I will happily stand up in court and say that.
Of
Okay,
course,
that's fine.
you could do that.
Right,
I'm not that.
yeah.
I'm not arguing.
That you are doing.
I'm
You're
sorry.
riding in an
Okay, let's
antisocial
say.
manner.
I'm not arguing. I'm just trying to understand
what we can do-
the principle of how we make this look dangerous. Yeah, we line up. I understand that.
No one has said it's dangerous. I've not said it's dangerous.
Okay, so
Okay, you're riding in an antisocial manner. All right. The way you spread across that road, and then you've all shot off together. I know you can't speed as such on some of these machines, but the way you've all lined up to race off, not acceptable. All right. Other road users will see that as antisocial. I do, and
Okay.
that's all that needs to happen. All right.
I'm happy with the explanation.
I'll explain another bit of law. We've got Section 59 warnings. I can give every single one of these bikes a Section 59 warning. Okay.
Okay.
If you are then caught in the next 12 months riding antisocially, your bike gets crushed. That is it. Also, if you ride that bike, because the warning goes to you and the bike, if you then get on someone else's bike and ride in an antisocial manner,
Yes.
their bike gets crushed.
Oh.
It's as simple as that. The reason that piece of...
Sorry, Mama, that sucks.
Yeah, but the reason that legislation was brought in is to stop antisocial behaviour as use of a motor vehicle.
Okay, now
Okay.
I understand how you're going. Right, okay. Fair enough.
So we'll put obviously the information in that you are riding like this. So don't be surprised if you don't get stopped, even when you're on your own, by traffic.
Yeah.
Because your registration's all flagged with them.
Okay.
Oh,
All right. Because of the way you're riding.
Yeah, that's fine.
We need to check and make sure that they are legit and that you are riding safely. All right.
That's fine.
On your bikes then, please, guys, and off you go. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Are we still going to McDonald's?
Yeah. Well, we've got to feed your kids. Oh?
Yeah,
Jamie, don't.
Jake.
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it.
No, I know.
Because I want to pull him home for 2, just leave it.
They might not have seen his plate.
Just leave it.
That's fine.
Oh, okay. I know what happened.
As fast as these little ones would go, Nicholas has to laugh.
Because we had a crash. But my boyfriend got it.
Now.
Jamie's a lucky bitch.
It was just a case of...
Please remind me. Set lubrication.
Cheers, fellas.
Oh, right.